Bills, bills, bills! Money, money, money! Electricity expense is getting higher and higher. God, please relieve me from electricity bills.
Hi, I'm Tom. Do you know why you have high household electric bills? It's because of constant invisible electricity loss. It's like a household faucet. If water keeps dripping from the tap, it will waste you a lot of money and cause you a lot of trouble. Circuits in household walls are filled with currents, and power, little by little, will be lost, even when you're not using electricity directly. Now, let's show you how to save energy. Let's show you how to keep your money in your pocket.
Use Superpower now. It can help you save 15 to 30% of electricity. It's recognized as the smartest way for households and businesses to save money. Superpower reduces electricity bills, stabilizes voltage.
Electricity plays a key role in production costs. As the need for electricity grows rapidly, the peak load pricing arises. Besides, there's a voltage stability problem. Except reducing electricity cost, minimizing electricity loss, Superpower can also help stabilize voltage and improve electricity quality. It can help industries save cost and increase competitiveness, while contributing to energy-saving effort.
Improving electric power is an established method in saving electricity. Poor power factor causes excess currents to flow through power delivery equipment, which can lead to an increase in expense. In order to increase electric power, the common practice is to use so-called energy savers in the proximity of electric equipment with high power consumption. It can also prevent a possible excess inefficient power at light load. Appropriately adjusting kVAR value can achieve the best energy saving efficiency.
Hi everybody, it's a pleasure for me now to demonstrate to you and introduce to you the product of the hour, Superpower. This is one of the most efficient electricity saving devices on the market today. Take my word for it, but now we're going to do an experiment for you just to prove that I'm not just putting you on here. Now right here what we got is an experimental board here. We've got some light bulbs and some fluorescent tubes here. These are lights you'll see in your home or your office. They're used quite frequently. And what we're going to do initially is get a reading of the amperage going through the system. So let me use this meter here, our amperage meter here, and I'm going to hook it up right here so we can get an accurate reading. Hang it right there. And as you can tell there, the reading is 0.0. No electricity is flowing through the system right now at all. But I'm going to send some electricity through the system right now. Let's switch all this stuff on here. Here go the fluorescent tubes and the light bulbs. Wow, that's bright. Check that out. That's the kind of light that I like to see. But I don't like to see high electric bills. I like to see money saved on my electric bills. So what we're going to do right now is show you the reading here. Here's the amperage here, 6.2. 6.2 amps are flowing through the system right now. That might seem like a small number to you, but it can add up over time, and you'll have to pay the money in your electric bill, and that's not something we want to be doing, is it now? So what I'm going to do right now, everybody, is use our featured product here, Superpower. This thing will save you some money, and it will cut down on the amount of wasted electricity in the system. Now, all I got to do is plug this thing into an ordinary household outlet, or I can plug it into an extension cord. Either way is fine. So let me plug this into our extension cord right here, plug it in, and I'm going to throw the switch here and take a look at the numbers here and see how they change. Ready? I'm going to do it right now. Wow, check that out. Check it out. I don't believe it, and I'm sure you don't believe it either. That number has dropped significantly. It's down to 3.9. That is a significant reduction. Oh, check that out. And that's wonderful because it means it's saving electricity, it's reducing the amount of electricity going through the system, and that of course means that you're paying less on your electric bill. That may not seem like much in 1 month, but check it out, think about it. Month after month, year after year, that's going to amount to significant savings, and that's a small price to pay for this little device here because it's going to save you money in the long run. What are you waiting for? Get one right now. Hey everybody, I'm going to take this experiment up to the next level here. I've got some high power consuming electric devices here that we all have in our homes. Right here I've got a washing machine, I've got an electric fan, and I've got a microwave oven. These are devices, as you might expect, eat a lot of energy and keep those bills really high. What I'm going to do first, everybody, is plug these babies in, okay? Let's start with the washing machine here. Let me plug him in here, right here. And we got the electric fan here. I'm going to plug it into, plug go nicely right here. And the microwave oven. Okay, let's plug this thing in right here. I've got the devices all hooked up right now. But as you might expect, there's no energy or electricity running through the system. So I'm going to verify that. Let me hook up my amperage meter here to make sure the reading is 0. And there it is. It's 0 as you expected and as I expected too. Now what I'm going to do right now, everybody, is I'm going to turn everything on to get those numbers to go high. First of all, I'm going to turn on the washing machine here. Let's get this thing rolling. Okay. Now I'm going to turn on the fan. Let's get that thing. We've got to keep nice and cool, everybody. And over here I've got the microwave oven. I'm going to get this thing rolling too. Okay, everything's rolling. I hate to look at that meter. The number's going to be really high. And there it is, 20. 19.9, 20. It's a high reading. That's a reading I don't want to see. And I don't want to see the results of that reading at the end of the month when I get my electric bill. Right now what I'm going to do, everybody, is I'm going to cut down those numbers. I know this machine won't let me down. Let me plug this machine in right here and get this thing to work. Okay, there's the number again, 20, and I'm going to push the button right now. Oh, check that out. That almost went down by half. That's down to 11.1 amps. That is a significant reduction in the amount of amps flowing through this system. Oh, check that out! I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. That's just an incredible savings. And if you don't go buy this machine right now, you are really making a big mistake because you're going to have continually high electric bills without this machine. Get it right now. What are you waiting for?
Superpower provides the following benefits. 1. Stabilizing voltage. It can adjust electric currents and reduce improper voltage to increase stability. It can stabilize the luminous intensity of lighting equipment and reduce power loss. It can help reduce the motor temperature of air conditioners and refrigerators, decrease the deterioration of insulation devices, and reduce malfunction rate and lifespan of electric appliances. 2. Increasing power factor, efficiently reducing kVAR. It can help maintain the best quality of electricity supply. 3. Reducing current and increasing electricity capacity. The output of transformer and circuit breaker wires is limited by currents. After increasing electricity efficiency and reducing currents, circuit breaker wires will have more capacity to be supplied to other loads, increasing capacity to the power supply system. 4. Reducing overload in power output and ensuring power safety. It can ensure electricity safety and avoid overload in power distribution. 5. Enhancing electricity safety and reducing circuit temperature. It can make the use of electric equipment safer and more cost-effective. It can instantly adjust drastic voltage changes caused by sudden power supply or power